So here we will create another simple Python project named as a tip calculator. We will set a variable name bill and we will set a data type to float, as bill cannot be a whole number, it can be in decimal too. And we will ask our user to input the data, enter the bill amount. We will set a second variable name as tip, with, which is gonna be our tip percentage, and we will set a data type to float, as it can be a whole number as well as in decimal. We will ask our user to enter the tip percentage, right? And thirdly, we will set another variable named people, and we will set a data type to integer, as people cannot be in decimal, like 3.5 people doesn't exist, so they can be 3% or 4% or 5%, can't be 5.5 or 3.5. So for that, we will ask our user to enter their input, enter number of people to split bill with, right? And here we will use our formula. We will set another variable name tbill divided by 100. So whatever number they will enter, it will be divided by 100. First, I will write the complete formula, then I will try to explain you. So how this formula is working? Let's say our user enter 30 percentage of 15. So 15 by 100 will be 0.15. And let's say they enter a bill amount of 125. So when 0.15 will be multiplied with 125, it will give an answer of 18.75, which will be our tip amount. So we need to add the tip amount in our total bill. So when we add 18.75 in 125, it will give an answer of 143.75, right? So let's say the user enter number of person to split bill with 5. So when we divide 143.75 with 5, it will give an answer of 28.75, which will be billed to each person, right? So here we will print bill per person is given. Set the data type to F string. Before that, we need to round up the number. Our bill equal round 3 bill, comma 2, and it will be round off the number up to 2 decimal points. And when we hit run, it is asking enter the total bill amount, let's say 125, enter the tip percentage, let's say 15, enter number of people to split bill with, let's say 5, and it is giving an answer of 28.75, which will be bill per person. That's all.